Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Everybody knows it's super duper hot right now. We're just this close to melting. In fact, I have my water bottle right here, and I know you guys back in India have it even worse. So today I thought I would share some of the drinks that I make at home to beat the heat, because sometimes water just doesn't cut it and you can't just go out and buy drinks every single time, because going out means going in the heat. So here are some fun drinks that I like to make at home. Hope you enjoy. Keep on watching if you're interested.
Hello?
Make sure to hit subscribe and click the bell next to it to be notified whenever I upload a new video. The first drink is going to be my Yappin Green Tea. I think this is the simplest drink that you can make. It's very healthy and it's delicious and it beats the heat. I actually found this drink at Koi, which is like a bubble tea place here. Combination sounds weird, but trust me, it tastes so bomb, and it's a water-based drink, so it really quenches the thirst. For the Yakult Green Tea, you will need Yakult, of course. I'm using Vitagen. You can use any gut health appropriate drink. Some green tea, of course, and some ice according to your taste. I am just pouring everything in the cup here, but you can honestly put it in a shaker, mix it up a bit properly and nicely so that both the drinks blend well together, and that's going to give you a much more smooth taste. The second drink is going to be a Baraka Frappe. I actually read this in a book. It's called A Suitcase and a Spatula, and I love this, and I would love to introduce you to this drink. All credits go to the writer. So you basically, now Baraka fizzing tablets, the first time I got them in Bombay, I think in Alpha Market or in Tasty Treats, you can get them anywhere. So these are, I think, originally German, and these are basically, you know, like these are tablets which have vitamins in them. So it's basically a fizzy drink, but it's not really that bad for you because it has the good stuff, if you get what I mean. So you just use that, and because of the Baraka tablet, the thing becomes a frappe because it gets all bubbly and it's delicious, and because of the banana, this is filling, and you can just impress people when they come to your home. For the Baraka Frappe, you will need some bananas, pineapple juice. I'm using the Lee brand here, and of course the Baraka fizzy tablets. I like to use this flavor because I feel it works well and the best with this. First, I'm going to fizz one tablet of it in half a cup of water. You can add more to have more of the frothiness. I wanted it to be tangy today. As you can see, it's really fizzing up. First off, I'm going to put 2 bananas. So the bananas that I had were actually very tiny. That's why I'm putting 2. If you have one standard size banana, I think 1 should be enough. Also, I realized if you slice the bananas and then put it in the blender, it's going to be more smooth. I was in a hurry and did not really slice it up. I just broke the pieces off with my hand, so I had some big banana bits in my juice. I'm going to add the pineapple juice now, little by little, and then keep blending the bananas. Time to add the Baraka water. Be careful at this time, the little hole at the top of the blender, some of the frothy bit might start coming out of it, so hold on tight to that lid, sister. Last but not the least is actually a breakfast smoothie, because I like to skip food, hot food especially, as much as I can in the summer. So I like to have some alternatives, right? And I'm not somebody that can just eat cold food. Trust me, my mom and brother can actually survive on cold food. It's very weird, but I cannot. So I would like to have some alternatives for food. So this breakfast smoothie is super good. At least one meal is sorted, and it can be cold or room temperature, but at least it's not hot. So I think this smoothie is pretty good to fill you up. For the breakfast green smoothie, you would need oats for fiber health and morning needs. Yakult or any kind of gut health drink to take care of the gut. And this, which I found my new love, it's called kurma. It is date milk, so date flavored milk. I'm not sure, but it's amazing. Also, don't judge the condition of the bananas and spinach that I have. A girl lives alone and a girl did not have time to shop. So first I'm going to take the ugly things away from your face and put that in the blender. Add oats according to your liking. I like it to be really fibery, especially in the early morning, so I just like to add as much oats as I can. Then I'm going to go ahead and put in the Yakult, and this will just blend everything. This would be the liquid bit to blend everything together. In the end, I like to use the kurma milk to add some sweetness, because this does have sweetness of the dates in it, and it just makes it a little more smooth and heavy. And there you go, it's done. You could also add chia seeds to it to add to the goodness, and enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed all the drinks that I shared with you. If you do plan on trying them out, make sure to share the picture with me. I would really just encourage you all to make them either for yourself or just treat your family one evening for it, one Sunday. I don't know, just do it. I think it's very sweet to do something for your family like this. It really means a lot, especially to the mothers. So do it and share your pictures with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you get to beat the heat and take care of yourself. Bye-bye.